Hi, this is Andrea Earle with a quick tutorial on how to add a NearPod lesson to your Canvas course. Go ahead into your modules, select plus. It's going to be an assignment, so click on New Assignment. And then down here, I always write the word NearPod first so that I can search for it later, and then the name of the lesson. This lesson is about National Pizza Day. I'm now going to select Add Item. You will see that the item is now added to your module. I'm going to select the assignment and now select Edit. I can add any directions I want. So I can say, please complete this assignment. In celebration of National Pizza Day. I can assign it a point value. For NearPod, I always do 10 points because the report that you will get from NearPod is based out of 100%. So I just move the decimal once and it's easy to grade. I always grade NearPod on participation unless there's an embedded quiz, and then I might take off a few points if they did really poorly. All right, under submission type, you're going to choose external tool. Slide down, you need to find the tool, which is NearPod. So if you slide down, you're going to find it in this external tool list. It is alphabetical, so select it once. If you have not connected your NearPod library yet, it will probably prompt you to connect your NearPod library. And sometimes it's fussy and doesn't come in, so I just exit and I search again. Oops. And now I can actually search for pizza, even though the lesson did come up here. Now I need to decide, do I want the kids to participate live with me during a live lesson? I control the pace. I change the slides and I move them forward at the pace I want. Of course, this means that if kids are not participating, they do get left behind. Or do I want to select student pace, which means students move through the lesson at their own pace? The benefit of live participation in Canvas is you can see the students working in real time. You cannot see that in student paced through Canvas. So I'm going to select live participation because I want to see the kids working. And maybe I want to give them directions as we go or commentary. I'm going to hit select again, come down to the bottom, decide who I'm going to assign it to, and hit save. And I'm going to hit publish. My lesson is now live for students in their Canvas window. To check this lesson, I can go to Settings, Student View, go back to Modules, and because I've published it, here it is. You won't see it if you don't publish it in Student View. And now here's the lesson. Notice there's no forward arrow. Students need to wait for me to start the lesson before they can participate. But the cool thing is their name is already here. Hope you enjoy using NearPod as much as I do. Thanks for watching.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
All right, once the students have participated in your NearPod lesson and you've finished the lesson, it's time to grade the lesson. So, go to your lesson, click on Speed Grader, and up will pop your student report. I can sort my students by those that have completed it and those that haven't. So I'm going to start by looking at, you can tell this student hasn't done it, 0%. This is kind of fake, so it might. I can tell this student participated 100%. Now, there is this overall class average, but I ignore that because the first student to complete will have a lower score and the last student will have a higher based on how many kids participated. But here's the cool stuff. These are my open-ended questions. I can see what the question is. And I can see what the student typed in their answer. Down below, I can see it doesn't show you what the kids wrote on the Collaborate board, but it does show you that they participated here. I did a flip grid at the end, and it'll show you that as well. If you did time to climb, it'll show you that they participated. If they did a draw it, it'll show you what they drew. But overall, this is their participation score, 100%, so I gave her a 10. And that's how you grade in Canvas. You then just flip to the next student, and on you go.